Hello everybody, Desi here from Howden Tools. Just going to give you a short look around this welder generator. Diesel machine this time. It's the Yanmar engine, key start machine, 10 horsepower machine it is. Welder generator it is, and you've got it's a DC generator on this machine, so that the DC generator has the large DINS plugs on it. On the cables has the large DINS plugs, and it has got it comes with the screw type holder for the welding rods. Being a DC machine, it means it has a higher duty cycle, and it has got the ability to run with low hydrogen welding rods. So if you're doing low hydrogen rods, this machine will be able to operate with those, you know. Obviously it comes in a fully powder coated frame, comes with rubber wheel casters on them. Very manoeuvrable machine. Around here, Sylvia is going to give us a look at the battery and the key start mechanism here on it. So, and here you've got your 240 volt and your 110 volt outlet, 16 amp outlets on it, 110 volt and 240 volt. Top of the range machine, very popular machine around construction sites and general fabrication workshops. You can also pull it by pull start, so if your battery was flat or whatever for any reason, you have the option to pull by pull start, or obviously your first choice will be the key. Being a DC machine, this machine here gives you the ability, if you just take into a typical situation, so you obviously got a power supply here to work your power tools and stuff, and then you've got your welder. When you take into a typical situation, if you're on a construction site and you're up on a roof, or you're up on scaffolding or whatever, and you're doing some welding, and then you want to do something with a power tool, you can use your power tool, drop your welder, and go get your power tool, do your job. You don't have to make your way back to the welder to switch over from power to weld. So there's no changeover switch between the welding and the power supply. So if you're doing a job with your welder, you're welding away, you can drop your welder, lift your power tool, start doing your work with your power tool, drop your power tool, lift your welder again. At no point are you walking over and back to the generator to switch from power to weld, you know. So it's quite good that way also, you know. So give us a call if you need any more info on it, or on any of the machines we have in stock. Thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to getting your call, folks.